training chest today. With super face.
I just eat everything. I'm the dumpster of the house right now.
Use the garbage disposal.
Yeah, dude.
We're waiting for Tony. Tony's over there helping some dude pose. So Jason and I are doing abs and pretending like we actually train abs. He said he's working on his 8-pack, but he's shaking right now. I thought you do this all the time. What happened? I don't train abs, I'm gonna be honest.
So AJ is on a search for his abs. Because they went missing like, when did you retire?
2020.
2020, they've been missing since 2020, so he's trying to look for them again right now. Everybody, please support him on this journey to find his 6-pack again.
Coming for you.
Hey man, we support you, bro.
I'm gonna come back just for you. This is TD. Titty Day. Tony Dog. 2.0 right now. 25 reps.
25 reps, man. Let's go. There you go. Good set, man. Good set.
Are we still warming up or what?
You ready to go home?
Yeah. If we go to Disneyland, I'm gonna follow you.
It's your turn, man. Let's go.
Dude, that ticket for Monday is $260.
For one day?
For one day.
What the hell?
So my sister's coming into town and Max is coming into town. They both happen to be going to Disney on Monday. So I was gonna go meet up with them. But the ticket's like $260.
I'm saying, I think I have a friend that can take you in for 100, but you gotta go after 3 or some shit like that. What are you doing, man? Is that 25? Was that 25? I counted like 10.
Jason has the biggest here, so we're just doing what he says.
AJ's gonna step it up, you know, it's gonna go big.
Tony's boycotting your machine.
He's going down 2 plates. How you gonna make a comeback like this, dude?
Huh?
How you gonna make a comeback like this?
I don't need to do much to get you.
Damn, just
I
like
did it
that.
once, I'll do it again.
Let's go. Oh shit. Is Tony doing his own workout or something?
Yeah, Tony's boycotting your machine. He doesn't like it.
What the hell, really? Doing his own shit over there?
He's 2.0. Weird.
Come on.
How many was that?
25? Holy shit. I almost started popping. Are you telling me you're old? You're old. How many reps you going for right now?
Just like a cool 100.
Wait, I thought you were going for 2.
Huh? Yeah, shit.
And Tony just decided to do his own workout.
I think I need to buy a fat grip.
What?
Buy the fat grip
Yeah.
and do it.
You think it works? I never tried those. Come on.
Technically, you're pressing for the phone.
Let's go. Yo, can you spot him? Come on, AJ. Let's go. Come on, man. Finish it. Good shit. How does this feel? Damn, dude.
I was trying to give you a little tickle. It was like, Tony's like, oh, I felt that.
He's like, it's been so long.
Got a little tingly over there. The nerves is like. Me and Jason just did like 50 sets, and Tony's been back here. He's just talking. I don't know what he's doing.
He's been talking for 50 minutes.
We basically finished the workout already. I mean, my chest is, his chest is pretty pumped.
Sweater's all wet and everything, you know?
We were waiting for him at the beginning. We're still waiting for him.
Should I pour some water on him to make it look like he's sweating a little bit? Come on. 2.
Let's go. Squeeze. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go. Still got some lines.
He said I still got some lines.
Holding on to dear life.
Only look at him from the chest up.
Ain't nothing down here. Let's go.
Let's go. 5. Squeeze. 2. Come on. Last one.
I was not ready for that.
Look at this tool bag. His shirt's on inside out.
Is it?
Hey, turn around. Let me see the tag. It's
DDSS, bro. I didn't notice it.
It's not even prep brain, bro.
Yeah, I don't even know it. Too much carb brain.
This is carb overload brain. Too many high days in a row.
Make it count. Big squeeze. Come on, push that finger up. Top. There you go. Come on. Oh shit. Damn. Hey man, you sure you're living that natty daddy life?
I'm gonna turn the audio off.
Damn, still got it, dude. I think I see one wing. One tiny little vein. Use up all the juice just for that. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video now.
You know the bun meat place? The one that's like buy 2 get 1 free? Yeah, that's the one. The first time I saw it, I was like, oh shit, look, I can buy 2 get 1 free. I was like, she's like, what are you gonna do with 3? I was like, I don't know, I'll eat 1 and I'll give the other 2 to your parents. I bought 3 and I sat down at the table, I ate all 3. She's like, I thought that was for my parents. I was like, well, they don't know I got it for them. I'm not fat anymore, bro. That's a past life. Me too. That's a past life.
Yeah, that's yesterday's life.
Let me see.
No, you got 25.
No, that's Sport Dark.
Huh?
that's Sport Dark. No, it's straight from Alibaba.
Yes, no, it's Light Sport.
LITE Sport.
Come on.
He says he's gonna have the best chest in the IFBB.
We're gonna have the best in the IFBB and the chest.
Comment below if you think he's gonna have the best chest.
2024.
No.
Taking his shirt off at the gym. What a douche. Douchebag.
Hey, he has the smallest chest in the IFBB.
Yeah.
It's okay, you gotta keep it forward. Oh, we got T unit in the house. Hey, where's the actual leader though? What are you doing? Oh, he's busy talking over here still. Look at that.
Hey, no paparazzi, dude.
Oh yeah. I think he did like 1 workout. Why we here, AJ? Why we here?
I've been getting a sick pump, bro.
Sick, bro. You're so sick, bro.
Sick pump, man.
Hey man, we're just hating because we got no fans.
Hey man, I'm getting ready for the INBA.
What's that?
Turn pro in 1 show.
Dude, this is nice.
Oh yeah, it is nice to work out, huh?
I know, right, Jason?
Yeah. We know.
Eating every hour. I'm not in Arizona.
Oh, you're from South.
Oh, South Carolina boys. There you go.
Put some respect.
Let's go.
I like Call of Duty and shit, except when people get good and I'm not playing anymore.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get killed by little.
Yeah, bro. I stopped playing in the middle of COVID, right? Yeah. And then every time I played again, I was in the gulag for like half an hour. I was like, sucks.
When I go on, I'll get destroyed, and then you hear a little voice from the mic. Oh, you little kid. You fucking suck. I was like, more.
Jason's doing 25 reps again. 25 is his favorite number. That's how old he wishes he was.
Forever 25, baby.
That's not what your joints say.
No, it says like you're 55.
Don't let your ass back in the spit.
So guys, welcome to my Insta.
my video.
You bought her dinner and you ate it?
Yeah, he's giving me shit right now. Tony, dude.
Hey, but at least he left her a drink.
I know you're not hungry, but you thirsty though. Go up on one. Go up on your toe.
Yeah. So like, yeah, there you go.
And like, try and like screw it into the ground.
That?
No, like put your toe in and then turn your knee out.
So put down and then go like this.
Yeah.
Like, all the weight should be on this leg. And then this should. How are you supposed to still? You're gonna go right leg, right? So, roll. It's good.
All right, guys, I got news. You heard it here first.
No, dude.
Jason said he's taking out C-Bum next year.
J-Bum.
Just one of his legs.
This is J-Bum.
So you want, when you go like this, you want to roll your wrist forward. So this should be, the bottom of this should be showing. So you're twisting your wrist. Come on! Lower, bro.
He's gonna shit himself.
Oh, and then your since you're on the floor, you like, you know.
Yeah, I always like that one. I just don't know if I can do it.
Activate your side chest.
Wait, so you're not going to Disneyland anymore, or what?
And that's it.
All right, I'm tired of these training with these guys.
Well, just me and you today. Tony was there.
Oh, that's true. Tony did like 2 exercises with us, maybe.
What do you mean I worked
He was
out?
too busy posing with everybody. Tony just came into our town and everyone was taking pictures with him. And someone just looked at me and was like, "Do you think you could take a picture of me and Tony?" and then I took a picture of Tony, some guy, and Jason and cropped Jason out.
Jason got cropped out.
Jason got cropped out. He's like, "Who the is this guy?"
Who's this guy that just photobomb us?
He's like, "I only want you, Tony."
I don't think he wanted a picture with me.
Damn, dude.
Oh,
I'm a little hurt.
Jason, what are we training next time?
Back day.
Rolodex?
Back day.
Well, I'm not training with you that time.
Back day.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
I have to pick up Tony's wife
Dude, she can walk.
from the airport.
Just kidding.
You're right,
kidding.
you can't. Delete that!
We'll both get in trouble.